Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here, and today I'm going to be reading How to Find a Bird, written by Jennifer Ward and illustrated by Diana Sudyka. Please enjoy. How to Find a Bird. There are a lot of ways to find a bird. That's the wonderful thing about birds. To find a bird, first you'll want to blend it. Great blue heron, this is, and move slowly. Quiet is good too, so quiet you can hear your heartbeat. Shh. Tender swan. Don't just look up to find a bird. Look down low in the ground, where some birds forage, seeking things hiding in the earth. White throat sparrow. Nathan flicker. Eastern bluebird. Barn swallow. Northern cardinal. American robin. Look down where some birds sneak snacks. Common loan. Look down where some birds splash. Ring billed gull. I can't say these other names. If you take a walk, watch your step. Some birds nest on the ground. Burrowing owl. Killdeer. So don't just look up to find a bird. Shelters jay. Sometimes you can find a bird by looking straight ahead. You will have to have a sharp eye, sharp as an eagle's eye. Birds are the cleverest blenders of all. At first you may not see them, but if you wait, if you are still, and if you are quiet, you'll see. You are just as clever as a bird. Brown creeper. Long cared owl. Eastern whip, poor will. Of course, you can always look up to find a bird too. You can look up high in the sky where birds fly. Sometimes when you look up, you'll find birds simply sitting. if you could perch high in the sky, what might you see? If you want to find a bird, don't be tricked. Some birds are still the. There is one. Wait a minute. Where'd it go? Sometimes you don't need to find a bird. It will find you. Hello, bluebird. Some birds will announce their presence when they are near, or announce your presence when they see you. Hello, Jay. Call, call, call. Click. D, D, D. Click D, D, D. And if you find them, they will come. Then all you need is a window to find them. Some birds can't be found at all unless you read about them. Doo-doo. This is a cardinal parakeet. Hard to say these other names. These birds are extinct, which means they no longer exist. But the best way to find a bird, if you want to find one, is to close your eyes. Did you hear that? Did you hear that bird? Tweet, tweet. Cheerily, cheerily, cheerily. Yiddy, yiddy, yiddy. Beep, beep, beep. Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you? Old sample body. Peabody, Peabody. That's the wonderful thing about birds. Whooping crane, that is. Oh. Hope all of you enjoyed this story about birds. Do you have a pet bird? Let me know with a thumbs up if you have a pet bird. And do you enjoy watching birds? Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy watching birds. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this story time, and I want to say thank you very much for watching and enjoying. And everybody out there, you have a good one and a fabulous one, and please take care of yourself during all this crisis that is happening out there in this world. And please wash your hands during these crises, and if you have to, cover with your elbow if you've got a cough or sneeze, and stay your distance 6 feet back, and if you disinfect things, and just mask up. But again, I am Mr. Bookman, and this story time is over.